Hi, I'm Kramer from Talent Home Solutions and we are here for IGCSE Computer Science Subject Entrance Exam Preparation. Today our topic is list. List is a collection of multiple data. For storing a single variable, we can just write x is equal to say 5, which means it can store one value. But what if I want to store multiple values like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25? I want to store these kind of values, or for example, I want to store three fruits like apple, banana, cherry. For that, a single variable will not be there. We need a list. A list is denoted by square brackets. For example, my list in this case is in square brackets saying apple, banana, cherry. So this list will have three items in that particular variable, my list. Now, how to access this item? We can just simply say uh, the list name, and in square bracket, I can mention which location. Remember, the list always start with location 0. So apple is there in location 0, banana is present at location 1, and cherry is present at location 2. So when I say location 1, this list location 1, it will result into banana as the output. Similarly, if I say list item in square brackets 2, it will give me cherry. And I say list 0, it will give me apple. Now let us see a few actions that we can perform on a list. The first one being printing a particular element in the list. So I have asked the user, please give me the input which location you want. And after converting that location into integer, I can print just saying team list of I. Supposing I was say 2, so it will print the team member present at list number 2. The next one being deleting an item. The same way I can just mention delete del the team list and I location, which means if I mention 2, whatever item which was present at the second location will get deleted. Edit an item, same way I'll say team list of I is equal to input enter a new name. What will happen is, supposing I is 2, so at the team list location number 2, a new item will be inserted and the original item which was present in the location 2 will be removed. We can also specify a particular range in which we can find the value. For example, we are just saying list of 2, so it was giving only one element. But if I want 3, 4 elements together, we can just specify the range. For example, in this case, list of 2 colon 5 will give me 3 elements starting with location 2. So 2, 3 and 4 excluding location 5. So at location 2 we have cherry, location 3 we have orange, and location 4 we have kiwi. So all this can be listed together. This is also called as list slicing. The next is how to get the length of the list. There is a function called as length. I'll just say length and specify in the round brackets the list name. It will give me the number of elements present in that list. In this example, it is 3. The next one is how to append an item in a list. To append an item means to add the item at the end of the list. In this list, we already have apple, banana, and cherry, and I wanted to add orange at the end. I'll simply use the append function saying list name dot append. This list dot append, and in round brackets, I will specify the element to be inserted. In my case, it is orange. What happens after that, if I print my list, it will have apple, banana, and cherry. Along with it, at the end, I have orange also. Now this was append. If you want to insert an element in a particular position for a list, you can have insert function. So this list already have apple, banana, and cherry, and I say this list dot insert 1 comma orange, which means at the first location I want orange. So currently at first location it is banana. It will get shifted to the right and orange will be inserted at that particular location. So the new list will be apple, orange, banana, and cherry. To remove a particular item in a list, we simply use remove function and specify the name of the element that needs to be removed. For example, in this case, if we say this list dot remove banana, it will remove banana from the list, and finally the list will contain only apple and cherry. How to loop with each and every element of the list. Many times we'll need to access each and every element in a for loop format. So for that, after specifying the list, we'll just say for I in range length of the list, which means it will go from location 0 to the last location of the list, and it will print one by one the element of the list by saying this list of in square bracket I, which means first will be location 0, then location 1, location 2. So in order, apple, banana, and cherry will be displayed on the screen. So we just need to say for I in range and specify the length of the list. You can also do just simply for I in list, whatever the list name is, for I in list, and just say print I. So it will also give you apple, banana and cherry. So you can use both the option. Either you use the range or you just say for I in the list name and print that particular I. Sorting a list. Sorting means either you can sort in the ascending order and descending order. So you have R sort or the normal sort. In this simple example, I have written this dot sort, which means it will sort the entire elements in ascending order. So the list which was not in any order now will become in ascending order, and you can see at the result banana, kiwi, mango, orange and pineapple are in ascending order of alphabets.